We listen in the car when we are out with friends while doing our homework. Listening to music is something that we all love doing. You can listen to music anywhere. But here's the big question. Did you make money the last time you listened to music? I didn't think so. What if there was a simple button on your phone that paid you money every time you played your favorite song? And yes, this does exist. Have you ever considered making passive money while enjoying what you do? You can make money listening to music even while you're sleeping. Simply open tabs for the music you want to listen to, and you may leave it streaming overnight. Most of us are tired from our daily job, and listening to music online often eases up tension from work and improves our mood. Now imagine earning money from it, and this is absolutely free. You don't need to pay anything to register an account, and there are absolutely no hidden charges. If you stay tuned to the rest of the video to find out how this actually works, I will show you some bonus websites so that you can maximize your earnings. But before we proceed, don't forget to smash the like button and comment down below what country you are in right now. Because in this way, I will be able to create videos specifically for your country. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. Now let's get started. First of all, go over to this website is called playlistpush.com. This is the website where we can earn $12 by listening to music. Here you can see connecting artists to playlist curators. They help independent artists get their music on playlists and give playlist creators a way to discover new music. Now let me show you some statistics. There are over 970 creators worldwide making money on this website. Big brands like Medium, Fortune, Hypebot, and CD Baby have featured this website. You can see here the testimonies of many people worldwide saying that they earn a lot of money online using this website. This shows that this website is 100% legit. I want you to click on this, learn more about becoming a creator. Once you do that, you will land on this page. Here you can see discover new music for your playlists. Get paid to review songs. They pay you to listen and review songs. If you like them, you can consider adding them to one of your playlists. Qualified playlist curators can earn up to $12 per song review. Request a payout at any time. They pay directly to your bank account. All you have to do is click on this Sign Me Up button right here, then create an account, and you are good to go. Now move on our next website, which is called hitpredictor.com. This website gives you the power to include the new music before it's even released. The company works with record label radio stations and even band managers. They basically ask you to provide feedback to the song you listen to every time you give feedback. The website will give you points to cash out for a gift card or cash. Our next website is called radioearn.com. Here you can see earn alone or with your website while listening to the radio. This website is 100% free. You can start earning by clicking or opening your radio links. You can also use their live API for your website if you wish your user listens to you. Every 15 minutes you get points. These points will be converted in the following month to USD. The USD you can pay via bank transfer, Amazon gift cards, or Bitcoin. It will work on all browsers that support HTML5 audio. And the cool thing is, you can use this website worldwide. They support every country. Now click on the Sign Up button. Once you do that, you will land on this page. Simply enter your username, first name, last name, email address, password, repeat it, then solve this text CAPTCHA and click on this register button right here, and you are good to go. Our next website is called musicsurveys.com. This is the most reliable website online that rewards you for listening to music first. All you have to do is create an account and listen to music. The cool thing about this website is it's 100% free. The website will do its best to match you with the song you are interested in the most. With this website, they want you to listen to music, and that's it. They do not require you to do anything. Once you hit $20, you can request a payout. Next is an app for you called Slice@the app. This is for those paid to listen and review music. This is an online service where you can review music, commercial, fashion, and brand in return for a financial payout. Music artists can then get consumer opinion on their output. You will get paid for interactive music and fashion that appeal to many people. This is a rare online option for youngsters. You can participate on this website when you are 13. This website process is recruiting new music artists to sign up to their platform, and then musicians can upload their tracks that you can listen to. Your responsibility is to listen to the music for a minimum of 1 minute and then write the review. You can write a short review about the track or song of the upcoming artist. You can ask for your payment when your account reaches $10, and they pay you 2 times per week. Always pick a genre that you are interested in and try to make your review as detailed as possible when they want. You should write a good review because it helps you get more opportunities. If you leave a low-quality review, it will negatively affect your future earning potential because most companies will give you a penalty. So write a good quality review. And also, you must read those websites' terms and conditions because there are some terms that you need to readjust to make sure you don't get into any trouble. Our next website is called localize.com. Here you can see transform your content and data to capture business worldwide. This website helps you transform your content and data so that you can rapidly reach, grow, and engage with global audiences. Their first project was translating a single word. Now, billions of words and hundreds of languages later, this is a global transformation partner trusted by brands to drive results with content and data. This is different from another website, because you will actually become a transcriptionist who is asked to transcribe music lyrics while listening to the song. You will have to transcribe the letter you hear. This company will pay you $4 per song to start. All you have to do is select your music reference so that you only transcribe the tune you like. Now I will show you some bonus websites so that you can maximize your earnings. But before we proceed, don't forget to smash the like button and comment down below what country you are in right now, because in this way I will be able to create videos specifically for your country. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. Now let's get started. Our bonus website is called irazoo.com. This website allows you to earn money by watching videos, which is similar to listening to music. They will pay you in cash or gift cards to earn money in return, as you've seen right here. The firms like CNN, Yahoo, The Wall Street Journal, and others are included, which would not be the case if this wasn't legal. Here you can see this is the web's most popular rewards program. They give you free gift cards and cash for the everyday things you already do online. Earn points when you watch videos, complete offers, and answer surveys. Redeem points for gift cards to your favorite retailers or get cash back from PayPal. You can gain points by playing games, completing surveys, or anything, and then you decide your rewards. They also provide Amazon gift cards, but if you want to get paid in cash, PayPal is also an option. When you earn 3,000 irazoo points, you can exchange them for your first reward. You can make friends on this app and chat with them daily if you want. Now there are always new games that you can choose from. It's not the same thing every single day, so that you won't get bored and you will want to continue playing and earning. You can join weekly contests to win up to $10,000. This is how it would look if you were to look it up on the Google Play Store using your mobile phone. You can download this for free right here. It has some good reviews that it's much better working for everyone and very, very reliable, so I recommend trying it out. Our next bonus website is called usertribe.com. This is about testing different online concepts or testing apps and websites, and that's so. It can also be fun to participate in. You can join from all countries. You can test sites and apps to earn, but you can also invite others to join and earn a commission. When you complete a test, they will use the email address you gave them during registration to send you your reward. The reward can be in the form of a gift card, or they can pay you via PayPal. Either way, they will inform you at the start of the rewards you will get for completing the test. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button with the notification bell if you don't want to miss our upcoming videos.